Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project Magnetic Reversal News and Shinrin Yoku, bringing you a space weather news update Sunday, May 23rd, 10 p.m. Mountain Time 2021. AR 2824 is now Earth facing. This is the current position, and it has been quite active for the last 48 hours as we ascend into solar cycle 25, and we expect grid failure in the coming 2 years at some capacity. We're closely monitoring the sun, and a minor G1 to moderate G2 geomagnetic storm, which has been added for beginning on May 25th into the 26th, when multiple coronal mass ejections observed leaving the sun on Saturday are expected to deliver at least a glancing blow to Earth's geomagnetic field. Now, based on the models, they're completely off. One shows it going to the east, one shows it going to the west. Both of them glancing blows from either direction. If you just add them together, it would be a straight on shot. But here is the GOES X-ray flux for the last several days. And you could see the uptick started here May 21st, midday, when some moderate C flares started kicking off. Then 2 M flares, then some more C flares, another M flare. And in this central region here is when those coronal mass ejections kicked off, especially here with this high impact, low level C, long duration flare. So this is coming from 9 Risi, good friend of the channel, and this is the information coming directly from NOAA, that same data set where you can see those 1, 2, 3 M flares kicking off in the last 48 hours. Now we're going to come over here to the Iswa spiral here, the signet streamer at Iswa, and it's showing, boom, a glancing blow to the east of the Earth happening around the 26th or 7th. If we just go up and look at, boom, it's right around the 27th. They're predicting it here on Iswa. If we come over to the Enlil spiral here, the WSA Enlil spiral, they have an early impact here, late 25th, early 26th, the secondary impact 26th, 27th. And their model is showing a much different flare coming off to the west. But there's that secondary north and the third flare coming off there, not headed towards Earth, but that's a much different look than this model over here. Much different look. So we're working with 2 models and 2 agencies that are well known for, well, let's just say, being less than truthful about things. So it's anyone's guess what's going to happen. We do know that there will be some impacts starting on the 25th at midnight through the 26th in our region, and we're going to be monitoring it through the 27th. Now, what we should see, maybe not a 5,000-year-old Aboriginal cave painting of the Wajinda in the sky, but we will certainly see aurora. And who knows how far to mid-latitudes this aurora may go. We could be low-level geomagnetic storm. We could actually reach G6, G7, in which case we could see some spectacular aurora all the way down into the U.S. So there's a heads up. Start looking up early in the morning of the 26th through the 27th, and we'll keep a close eye out for you. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance when solar flares, coronal mass ejections, are headed towards Earth. Boom! And that's a boom to knowledge. Share this with like-minded people. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and be safe. We love you.